I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. How about you?
Yes, I'm also doing well. So far, so good. I have seen a couple of your videos and I liked all those videos, and
Oh,
those videos were really insightful, engaging. Watched till the end and I get a lot of benefits.
Thank you for watching my videos. As we are meeting very first time, so would you please introduce yourself?
Sure, ma'am. I am Shatabdi. I'm talking to you from West Bengal and talking about my academic credentials. I have done my graduation and post-graduation in English literature, and I have also completed B.Ed. And talking about my hobbies, I like singing, dancing, and reading books. I have been running my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Speak with Shatabdi. And professionally, I'm a teacher. I teach English offline as well as online. That's all about me, ma'am.
So that's amazing. Means by profession you are a teacher.
Yes, I teach English. I am not associated with any institution. I teach at home and on offline. I teach online.
That's lovely.
Okay, whatever you prefer. We can have general conversation or we can talk about topic.
Yes. So for how long have you been learning this language or in this group?
Yes, it's been 1 year. I have started my speaking journey. So I have completed 1 year. And if I talk about learning this language, then it's been many years. Since 2019, I started working on my spoken English, especially. English was also as a subject in school, and then I did my graduation in English. So I am in touch with this language. It has been so many years. But seriously, I worked on my spoken English since the year 2019. And it's been 1 year. I have started my speaking journey. I have been speaking on a regular basis. It's been 1 year.
Means you are in this group for last 1 year.
No, for not last 1 year. It's been 6 or 7 months. I have been
Mm.
this group.
Because I was also there, but I never met you. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Nowadays, I do not speak with people on means in from this group
Mm-hmm.
because I do not get
Mm-hmm.
time.
Yeah. Because the more time we can devote in this language, it will always gives us a lot of opportunities because our mouth is not accustomed to speak English
Yes.
words. So the more we'll speak on various topics, it will provide us a lot of opportunities to get accustomed with all these English words, and our pronunciation will also improve. And our voice modulation, intonation, these are the things which are also required while we're interacting with others. We should be taking care of our voice modulation, intonation, speech, and these are the things which are truly required. And sometimes we also use filler words, so we also need to avoid those, and we have to eliminate those things too. So we
Yes.
all are working on that. It's a gradual process. It's a lifelong process. Nobody can say that they are perfect in this language, as because we don't have environment to speak. That is the one and only reason. Otherwise, if we were surrounded by the people who were always speaking in this language, then definitely we would speak in such levels where we will be able to communicate in this language as just as our mother tongue. Just because we are not surrounded by those people, that is the reason. But these days, people have created such an environment where easily people can get connected. And if we devote more and more time, then definitely we will be super fluent in this language.
Yes, because when this group was created, only 8 or 9 people were there, and in these
Mm-hmm.
7, 8 months, now this you can
Hmm.
see for 500 plus people are there. Because
Yes,
I
yes.
think this time everyone wants to speak and learn this language because it's very crucial this
Hmm.
time to speak this language anywhere when we go out, whether we are in professional work or even homemaker also. Because if we are homemaker, so it is very compulsory to learn English for our children. Mostly when we go
Hmm.
in PTM.
Yes,
Yes.
right, right.
So what
And when
is
you know,
yes, you
hmm,
continue. Sorry.
and when you know English, you will not get stuck anywhere. And English is a language which can open up a lot of opportunities.
Hmm.
So it has a lot of benefits. If somebody knows English, then they're half done, I feel so.
Yes, yes. So, when you have started your journey, as you told that you are in this language for many years, not only 1 year, as I have
Mm-hmm.
started my journey 1 year ago only. Means
Mm-hmm.
on this August, I have completed 1 year only. Before
Mm-hmm.
that, I never tried to speak this language. Yes, I've started my channel 2 years ago, but in the last 1 year, I only uploaded these short videos related to grammar portion. After that, I
Mm-hmm.
realized that if I really want to communicate in English, so I will have to open my mouth. But the question was there, to whom I will speak, because I that time I was not aware of these types of applications where I can connect people and can communicate. So one day when I was scrolling my video, one video came across me. That lady was YouTuber. So I just
Mm-hmm.
mailed immediately, and she replied within half an hour. So my first conversation was through video call.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
and that video I also uploaded on my channel. So like for my means memory, you can say my first conversation when means I spoke first time. So how was my expression and how was my facial expression and everything. Yes,
Right, right. Yes, so I also had a conversation with Gannon. So he's also a YouTuber. So I also uploaded that video on my channel.
yes.
Yes.
And one question is for for you is, when you have started your journey, so what are the first thing you did?
Hmm. Okay, so when I started my speaking journey, I used the application Edge Fluency. I used
Yes,
that application Edge
yes.
Fluency and CV and Hypro. I used these three applications, and by that time I also started my YouTube channel, and I have given my email ID on my channel, so people used to connect with me. So
Mhm.
I talked a lot. I talked with a lot of co-learners that helped me. And before that, I just used to talk to myself. I used to record myself and I used to think in English. That is what I did. And I used to read a lot of books. So that also helped me a lot. And
Mhm.
I was preparing for SSC CGL, SSL, NTA. So that time I also bought a lot of books. That those books all were written in English. So those books also helped me to enhance my knowledge and enhance my English vocabulary. So those things also help me. But what has helped me the most is speaking. When I started speaking with others, that time I learned so many new words which I didn't even know earlier. So
Mhm.
after started speaking with other co-learners, I have reached in this level. I cannot say that I'm perfect, but I have reached in this level.
Or listen to
Hmm.
someone. There is totally
Hmm.
different thing, because reading we can improve our vocabulary part or even sentence structure. But at the same time, what I observed is advanced
Yes.
level vocabulary. But when we connect with strangers and when they
Hmm.
use that words, so one time if we
Hmm.
listen and another time very easily we can use at the time of speaking,
Right. Right.
in our speaking,
Hmm.
so
Hmm.
that word will not be active in our minds, and that is the reason we are not able to use advanced level vocabulary.
Right. Right.
Yes,
So yeah, we need to incorporate
yes,
advanced vocabulary in our conversation. So we have to work that on that consciously. So for example, we are use is a verb. It has a lot of synonyms we can use. We can
yes,
replace the word use by saying
yes,
apply, utilize,
yes,
exploit,
yes,
implement, deploy. So these are the we have to work on consciously, and then
yes,
only it's possible to
yes, yes,
add new words in our conversation, and we have to implement. Otherwise, we'll get stuck in somewhere. So we need to
yes,
incorporate this habit.
yes. And another question is, as you are means completed your graduation as well as post graduation in English, so I think you have more knowledge about English language, and you are also like in this field, means communication for long years.
Mm,
So as many people have that tendency, like in 1 month or
mm,
2 months, they want to be a fluent speaker. Is it possible?
mm.
And many YouTubers,
No,
they just big thumbnail and write down their learn English in within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. So is it really possible according to you?
no. In 3 months, it is not possible. It's quite impossible, I would
Yes.
say, because people say that it's possible, but it's not true. Even a lot of learners are there who are speaking for many years. Still, they are suffering. Still, they are struggling a lot to be fluent in this language, to be advanced, to level up their level. So, it's not possible in 3 months to speak, to become an advanced speaker. You can manage speaking with others, but you cannot be an advanced speaker of this language.
Yes.
So for that, we need more practice. Practice is the
Yes.
one and only thing which we need to do every day. Then only it's possible to become an advanced speaker. And it's not about, becoming fluent also involves becoming knowledgeable. You have to be knowledgeable. When you don't have enough knowledge about a particular topic, you will not be able to deliver a single sentence. So first of all, we have to be knowledgeable. So to become knowledgeable, we need to read books. When we read books, that time we become knowledgeable. So that time it will help us to deliver our sentences properly, deliver our thoughts, to convey our message to others. So reading can help us to become
Yes.
an advanced speaker of this language.
As you told that means we should have knowledgeable. If we have a knowledge on one particular field, so we can
Mhm.
speak on this topic. Yes, very true. So my second question is, according to you, what is fluency? Because everyone, you also observe that as you have also YouTube
Mhm.
channel, everyone is running behind the fluency. According to
Mhm.
what is fluency level? If
Okay,
one
so
who speaks very fast,
fluency.
is it fluent?
No, those who speak fast, we cannot say that those people are fluent. Fluency means you have to convey your message in precise manner, in accurate manner, so in exact manner, so that other can understand what you are
Yes,
actually trying to say. When you
yes,
are saying and other people are not understanding you, that means it's not a it doesn't mean you are fluent speaker. So to
mm,
become fluent, you have to be precise, exact, and accurate
yes,
so that other
yes.
can understand you.
Yes, because only to speak very fast is not fluency. So if I ask you question and if you ask me question and I am able to speak that answer in a very accurate way, articulate way, and at the
Mhm.
same time you can understand what I am trying to say. That is, I
Yeah.
think, fluency. According to me, as you also elaborate in a very precise way, like. If you have knowledge on one particular topic, so you can easily convey your message,
Mhm.
and that comes by reading, by listening,
Mm. Yeah.
even watching other videos too. It depends, it's up to you which method you choose, because many people, they don't like reading books, but I
Mm.
can say that reading is compulsory if you want to improve your sentence structure, come across with new words. So reading is very important.
Yes, absolutely. That doesn't mean that the person is not fluent.
Yes,
It could be that some people do not, it may not have enough knowledge about that particular topic. That doesn't
yes,
mean that person is not fluent. That person is fluent, but just because that person doesn't have a lot of information about that
yes,
topic, he or she
yes,
is not trying to talk on that topic. So that doesn't mean that the person is not fluent. That person is fluent just because lack of knowledge, he or she is unable to deliver his or her speeches on that
mm,
particular topic.
yes.
So I saw that you take sessions on EnglishYaari. So how long it has been you were taking session on that platform?
I have been taking sessions last 6 months, last I think April month.
Like to suggest others to join that platform?
Yes, it's up to you. Listen,
Hmm.
we can learn language from anywhere, because this time number of platforms
Mm,
are available to learn English. Only need to have a strong determination for learning this
mm,
language. And at the same time, if we have a resilience, perseverance, so you can easily learn. No one can stop you. But
mm,
why I joined
mm.
EnglishYaari? So the reason behind that was my husband told me, and he took the subscription because one day he was listening my
Oh,
conversation and he was started laughing the way I was speaking. So he told that, Saraswati, if you really want to learn English language, so join some platform, or he, you can say, he gave me that like surprise gift to me.
yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely, absolutely.
yeah.
Like to share.
Yes, yes. Yes, I'm going to answer that question. So yes, really, it is helpful. But for
Mm,
my experience, I can say if you are very beginner, so my
mm,
suggestion would be not join immediately. First, you
mm,
feel comfortable and remove your hesitation, fear, everything, and then you can join. So it will be
mm.
helpful because there you will get a partner, a tutor who can give immediately feedback. Along with that, you will get an
Absolutely,
opportunity to communicate with an expert people,
absolutely. True.
because when we listen to the person who are expert in this language, so definitely we can catch many things.
Mm,
Yeah, so
yes,
it is really
yes,
very, I think it's very helpful for me. Yeah.
yes. And feedback is really required.
Yes.
Without feedback, we cannot progress. So it's truly required.
Maybe I can be a very fluent speaker, but the pattern of making mistakes will increase day by day. And when
Mm-hmm.
one it becomes my habit, so it's very difficult to change that pattern of making mistakes. Is English Yari or other platform. At the same time, it's our responsibility too, because there is only 25-minute session. So in that
Mm,
25 session, everyone try their best to give or teach me something good. But whenever
mm,
I will not take their advice, their suggestions, so I'm not going to improve a lot.
mm-hmm.
I
True.
really have an interest in this language. So
Mm-hmm.
anyhow, I will try my best to learn and to speak this language better. And it takes time. It takes
Yeah.
time because
Learning a
I think
language
one
takes
year,
time.
as learning this language since 1 year, but I think that 1 year is not
Mm-hmm.
enough. It takes lots of time to get improvement and get fluency, accuracy, and level up my English.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right, true. Absolutely. I agree with you, all your points.